Good morning, viewers. This is Gann Supremacy from the Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. Today is 26 February 2026. Time is morning 7:52:25. And today we are doing a recap of our Bank Nifty year 2026 forecast. So, those who have missed the forecast video can go and look at the forecast video first and then come to this update. So this is the daily chart. We have marked some important Gann angles here, and we will see the price action, how it has come into this year 2026. So you can see this is the start of the year 2026. We were at the near the top end of the red Gann angle marked on the chart. So till date, we will be finishing 2 months in this year, and we have made three attempts to cross the red angle, but we have failed to close above it decisively. So on the price cycle points, you can see this is the most important level where the price action is getting stalled. Okay, we are not able to close above this level. So staying below this angle, we will be struggling and go sideways to downwards movement. Okay, so you can see we had a hit here in 1st of December, and then we came back to the price cycle level here, okay, where we had consolidated earlier. And then this was the budget day, and then this was the tariff announcement day. Okay, so we are stuck within this range. As long as we are within this range, we will be continuing on the sideways movement. The swing will continue. Okay. So the important timeline for this index is coming in March. The date is on your screen. So where we'll be completing the square for Bank Nifty index. Okay. So earlier time period, important time period was this, and from there on we have taken support at this price cycle level and hit the targets of the next price cycle level. So these are the angles. First angle on the downside where we consolidated, then we dip below again, hitting the next angle and consolidating here and hitting this angle. So this red angle is going to be important. Why? Because if you go back in history, then you will see one of the tops coming here of September 2024. That was a major top on most of the indices, and then you had a top coming in here in July, 4th of July. Then if you go in the past, then you had one of the major tops coming here in October 2021, where we had a decent correction on Bank Nifty. Again, we had a top here on this angle in February 2021, and one of the most important tops was here, that is the pre-COVID top. Okay, so this is one of the natural cycles happening all over the world markets. Okay, so this red angle is going to be pretty important going ahead for this index. Okay, so as long as we do not settle above this angle, we need to have to temper our expectations on this index and wait for it to cross the all time highs. Okay, So support here is at this level seen on your screen, and the important timeline is here, that is also seen on your screen, and the important angle, support angle, will be this blue line. Okay, so if you go in the past, you will see price action continuing along this angle, up and down along this. If we break this, then we go to another level angle, that is again marked in blue, and this was the exit polls drama on the index where we took the support. Okay, so we have gone briefly below this in the March lows. Okay, Nifty had a lower low in April, but Bank Nifty had a higher low in April. So this marked the divergence on both the index, and the strength is continuing here as depicted from here. Okay, so till we do not get settled above this angle, we will be waiting for the breakout to happen, and the important timeline is here. Okay, so we'll update what happens when we cross this timeline. Okay, till then we have major support coming in here, and if we break this, then we have cluster of supports coming in here at one level seen on your screen and another level seen on your screen. So you can see earlier top forming at this level, and crossover here, backtest here on this price cycle, again backtest here on this price cycle. So this was a double bottom on the Bank Nifty here, and then we have had a double top, or rather triple top here. Okay, so keep watching this channel for updates on Bank Nifty. Thank you for watching it till here. Have a great trading day ahead.